What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dom coming back to you from All About Passive Income. And you know what time it is. I'm about to give you that update video on Blue Chip Fund. But before we dive in, I'm not your financial advisor, nor will I tell you what to put your money in. But guys, if you've been following me on this channel, you already know what it's about. We all about passive income with this thing, so you know what time it is. Now look, I did a video late last night. Probably ain't gonna say late, probably around 9:30 or 10. Man, if y'all didn't hear the grenades and the C4 and all that going off in the background, I don't know what you was doing. You must have been sleeping too hard or was not paying attention, because this thing right here, this blue chip fund, man, this thing blew up. It blew up in less than a day. This thing hasn't been even running a full 24 hours yet, and it's already got 543 ETH in here. Do you not know? Do you not know that there? Look, I can't even get it out. I can't even get it out, guys. This thing here started off, it was zero. It was 0 cents. It was 0 cents to get in this thing. And it's already at 64 cents. And the day's not even done yet. People are still flying in this platform. Like, it's like, if you would have seen it last night, if you would have seen this platform last night, I can barely move the mouse fast enough for me to click over to my wallet to start transferring, ETH over here. And every time I turn around, this little ticker kept popping up. Somebody put 20 ETH, 15 ETH, 30 ETH. This thing blew up so fast last night, and I don't understand why people are still, thinking about it. There's nothing to think about. There is nothing to think about. All right, because I can be I can attest to, and show you what I put into the platform. If you go back and look at my other video that I did just last night, I put in what was it? I think I put 1 ETH, 1.1, 1.2 ETH or something like that. And what is that, like $170? Look at this. $409.78, and I did nothing but drop the ETH into this smart contract, guys. That's all I did. That's all I did. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what else to, I don't know what else to say. I mean, if you kick the tires any longer, you gonna miss this ride. Cause I mean, you know how the ship is just now getting ready to leave the dock, and it's all big, and you can see the people waving and they're cheering and they're happy because they're getting ready to go sell off and get out there and enjoy their vacation, and they're waving at everybody and they're smiling and they got their drinks in their hand. And then after you sit back a couple of minutes and then you see it go off in the distance and then it disappears and it's gone and you don't see it no more. That's what's about to happen. That is what's about to happen if you haven't came over here and checked out this platform. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you this thing right here, and it's not even a day old yet. It's not even a day old, so there's room to grow. I'm just saying, I'm blown away. I mean, like, I don't know what else to tell you guys. I don't. I mean, but if you want to check this out, the link will be in the description below. You don't have to mess with it at all, but that's up to you. Whatever. I'm not, by all means, I'm not telling you to jump in anything. But if you want to come take a look at it, then definitely come take a look at it, guys, because this thing is absolutely off the chain, then blew up, then took off, then handled its business. And I mean, it's here. So it's a smart contract. There's a verified contract right here. You could go to Etherscan, you can check it out. It's in there, so there ain't no stealing, there ain't no scamming, there ain't no running away with the funds. There ain't none of that. You could get your money right now. If I want to pull this out right now, I can pull this out right now. But why would I do that? That would be dumb on my part. I'm gonna let this thing ride up as high as it look there. Look at there. Somebody else just came in and spent some more. This thing is phenomenal, guys. And the way that this thing works is that every time somebody comes into the platform, it's going to rain dividends on you. It's going to rain dividends on you. Every time somebody withdraws from the platform, it's going to rain dividends on you. Powerful. 64 cents right now. 64 cents when I got in. And when I first seen it, it was 13. When I jumped into this, it was, I think, about 20 cents or so. 23 cents. It's already up to 64 cents. So you already know this thing is going to go ape shit when it gets to $1, $2, even $3. Hell, this thing could probably go up to $5. Who knows? There's no guarantees, but what happens if it does hit $5? you already know what I'm about to do. You already know what I'm fixing to do. You know what I'm fixing to do. We're already exploding in this platform. So don't be the one back there wagging your tail and sitting there watching the opportunity pass you by. You know, you might as well. What's the point of getting a filet mignon steak and just taking a bite of it when you can get the whole steak medium well, and then you can throw a little bit of asparagus on there and get your little lobster tail with a drizzle, a little of that garlic butter on top of it, and have you a nice little room temperature cup of Ace of Spades, the gold bottle, while you sipping. I don't understand, but that's up to you guys. Y'all figure it out, but I'm just bringing to you what I'm doing. This your boy Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income. I'll holler at you guys in the next video. Peace.